I have a question for you. Would you like to be known in your company as a person who takes initiative? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. One simple way to take initiative in the workplace is to make suggestions. Every employer wants employees who can spot problem areas and suggest improvements in a sincere, constructive manner. Here are some tips on how to become effective at making suggestions in your workplace. Number 1. Start in your own area. In your current job, look for ways to save money, improve service, or streamlining processes. Experiment to test out your ideas. Number 2. Have a plan for implementation. If you don't have a plan for implementation, then your suggestion will sound like a complaint. Think through cost and benefit, document your suggestion, and share it with others to seek inputs, involvement, and approval. Learn how to sell your ideas. Number 3. Develop a mindset for making suggestions. When you travel to work, think about the potential improvements. Try to develop a minimum of 2 ideas per week that you can submit or share with others for making improvements. Carry a small notepad with you to jot down ideas. You can even jot it down on your smartphone. Number 4. Support and build on other people's ideas. By supporting other people's ideas, you will develop goodwill and alliances that can be beneficial when you need help and support. So here's what you can do. Today, buy a notepad and name it My Suggestions for Improvements. And every day spend some time writing your ideas to improve work processes, products, services, and systems. Then every week pick out the 2 you feel are the best. Then share it with your seniors. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.